So we will take the flipper and insert it like this on the base plate and align it horizontally. And we hold it with a hand, okay? And then we take this arm here, align it, and we insert it like this. And then we have this, insert the rubber band here. Then we take this button and simply snap it here. Alright, the next step is to put together the ball launcher. Add this slider here. Then once you insert it, it holds it together. We take this pin into the slider, then attach a rubber band. Fit these pipes together. Use my trusty filament here. Just add a few points and simply go. And here as well.